Hey, what up, YouTube? Ty1822 here. Your review on WWE Raw. So Raw opens up with Triple H. Triple H saying, I saw what happened. John Cena leg was on a rope, so my fault for not seeing John Cena leg on a rope. So then he said, Kevin Nash, he gave him tickets. He did not expect Kevin Nash to come out and did what he did to CM Punk. Then he said, I will go to John Cena locker room and apologize what happened at SummerSlam. Then it's a match between John Morrison, R-Truth, a very good match. I enjoyed it. John Morrison, of course, I'm a mark for him. Great in-ring talent. R-Truth, guy been very entertaining lately. Very good heel. This feud, it's been off for a bit, but I still want to see it. I hope WWE do not drop the ball with this feud, continue it, and I think it could get a lot better down the line. Then it's a tag team divas match. Kelly, E. Torres versus the Bella Twins. Average match. Kelly, E. Torres wins the match. Then finally, Kevin Nash made his return to Monday Night Raw. Kevin Nash, said, hey, Triple H text me, said, buddy, hey, whoever win this match, take them out. So Kevin Nash said, hey, it's nothing but business. Like Kevin Nash, always about business. CM Punk's telling Kevin Nash, what do you know about the business? What do you know? Do you know what's good for the business? He's saying, hey, this is not 1994 anymore. Kevin Nash said, I know a lot about being in the main event. You just, 4 titles, total of 20 days. He brought up the fact that him and Scott Hall, 1996, changed the wrestling business, saying, hey, you should thank me for giving stars like you guaranteed contracts. CM Punk said, he would kick his ass. He came down to the ring, but security stopped CM Punk to go on at Kevin Nash. Then CM Punk said, okay, nobody's back there with Triple H. I'll go see him. So, I really enjoyed this segment. Kevin Nash back in the WWE. Now, I don't want to see Nash and CM Punk wrestle. I don't want to see it, but sadly, it will happen. It will happen. Imagine this with TNA. I mean, they go crazy. Old ass Nash back in back in wrestling, but in WWE, nobody really going off that Nash is in a storyline with a guy like CM Punk. Next, you got a match between Alex Riley and Jack Swagger. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Jack Swagger goes over in this match with the gut-wrench powerbomb. It was botched, but hey, botches always happen in wrestling. Then, next, Vicky Guerrero and Jack Swagger backstage. Jack Swagger saying, hey, Vicky, you should manage me. You manage guys like Edge, Dolph Ziggler, because before you never managed them, they was nothing. I think it's good to give Jack Swagger a manager like Vicky Guerrero. He's not a good talker, so she's a good mouthpiece for Jack Swagger, and I think they could work together really well. Then now it's time for the the tag team match. Not Nexus, the former Nexus members, I guess you can say. Michael McGillicuddy and Mr. Hudson versus Kofi Kingston, Evan Bourne. An okay tag team match. Kofi Kingston, Evan Bourne picks up the win over Mr. Hudson and Michael McGillicuddy. So now, I guess you could say they are the number 1 contenders for the tag team titles. Now let's get to the main event. Alberto Del Rio versus Rey Mysterio. This was a very, very good match right here. Alberto Del Rio retains the belt. He's still your WWE champion. He attacks Rey Mysterio. All of a sudden, John Cena comes out, attacks, he attacked him. He scared off Alberto Del Rio, saying, how the hell you gonna come in, take the W title after me and CM Punk busted our ass at SummerSlam. You got a target on your back. Now, one thing I don't understand, why John Cena didn't come out and broke the fact that, hey, my leg was on a rope. I was looking towards Cena, bringing up the fact that, hey, I did not lose the match because my leg was on a rope. So that was very disappointing that John Cena bring the fact that he didn't really lose the match because Triple H did not see his leg on the rope. So, you know, this Raw was okay. You know, I enjoyed, you know, the main event, Morrison R-Truth, Kevin Nash, CM Punk segment. So, just give me your thoughts on Monday Night Raw. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. Peace.